Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Moth plus ear. Moth ear. May I? Mother, may I? If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Ladies and gentlemen, hi everyone, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. We have two experienced players returning to our program today. On my right, Nelson Brand. Welcome back to you, Nelson. Nelson won a game, as you'll recall, on our last show, and he opposes the same individual he faced yesterday, Larry Green, on my left. Larry, good luck to you today. You know, of course, that with the one strike against you, you're going to have to win this first game.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it, gentlemen. Take a look over here, and this is something pleasant for your eyes.
See fashions of California, sensational bikinis and mayos, and a wonderful assortment of fabrics and colors. Swimsuits that make you look and feel terrific, furnished by See Fashions of California. Alex.
Well, it was good for their eyes. And I'm sure they have special ladies in their lives that they would like to gift with those bathing suits. Let's show Larry and Nelson where they can find it. Ladies swimwear at number 23 would come in handy at a Miami Beach resort vacation, which is what we have in this game, Larry. You get to pick first.
Okay, Alex, let's see what's under number 12.
Golf clubs.
And number 9.
Green take, no match. Nelson.
Start off with number 7.
His and her tennis rackets.
Ooh, ah. How about number 19?
Miami Beach resort, no match. Larry.
Okay. Let's see if we can find the resort under number 11.
Diamond and emerald ring.
Let's see what's under number 21.
Whirlpool bath, no match. Nelson.
Okay, how about 16?
His and her tennis rackets.
And number 7?
Hoo-ha, isn't that what you said?
Hoo-ha.
Hoo-ha indeed. His and her tennis rackets. Up here for Nelson. Down here, 2 doors, swinging open.
Plain as the nose on your face.
Plain as the nose on your face, says Nelson Brand. Unfortunately, it was not that plain, so he'll pick again.
Okay, let's go up to number 8.
China service for 8.
Ooh, and how about number 13?
No, dishwasher. Larry Green.
Okay, Alex, let's see if we can find the resort under number 2.
Wild card. You've seen some pretty good prizes, but there is one in particular that you might want to go for.
Right, that one in particular is number 19.
The Miami Beach Resort Vacation.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
The other Miami Beach holiday at number 14. 3 panels opening up right now for Larry. Pick again.
Okay, Alex, let's see what's under number 5.
Diamond and emerald ring.
Oh, I saw that. Where was that?
You did.
Was it number 11?
Was it? Yes. Yeah. 2 in a row for Larry. 2 more panels swinging open. Select again.
Okay, Alex, let's try number 17.
Green take.
Did I see that under number 9?
Green take. A little bit of protection for the vacation, unless you want to grab the his and her tennis rackets right now.
Well,
Hey. Don't take my tennis rackets.
I'll hold off just a little bit.
I thought you might. Open it up. Select again.
Let's see what's under number 22.
Ice cream for a year.
How about number 3?
Number 3 is ladies swimwear. And Nelson, just a moment ago, ladies and gentlemen, when Larry was making his selection, Nelson did one of these. He pressed on his nose and went, Now, I don't know if he's trying to clear his sinus. Sure cleared mine, but I can't hear anything.
I've been having some problems with my ears.
Good.
Yeah,
okay.
that's it.
Pick 2 numbers.
Number 23 and number 3.
That's a match for ladies swimwear.
Right in there.
You've got the tennis rackets and the swimwear, and of course, if you solve the puzzle right now, you'll get to go to the winner's circle again. Let's take a look and see if you can do that.
Could it be Plains, Georgia?
Larry goes, ah! And the reason he goes, ah, is because Plains, Georgia is correct. Well done, Nelson. Gosh, early in the game, too. Let's go to the board. Yeah, you're eager to do it. Go for it.
We have 3 planes, Cessna and a couple other ones, and we have George Washington, and so it'd be Plains, George, and that's it.
Now, where do you look at these planes, and you tell me which one is a Cessna.
This one right here.
That's a Cessna.
Oh, yeah, can't you tell?
Now that you mention it,
Right.
no, he's wrong. Yes, I know he's wrong. Larry, we're going to have to say goodbye to you. That's 2 strikes against you. I'm sorry about that.
Had a
We've got
great
some
time.
parting gifts for you backstage. Take care. So long. You got the tennis rackets, his and her tennis rackets, and the swimwear, and another chance to go to the winner's circle when we come back after this. Nelson Brand. On our last program, you'll recall that he won a game, but there were no prizes, and he didn't do particularly well here in the winner's circle. And today, he won his and her tennis rackets and some ladies' swimwear. And his comment during the commercial break was, I am so lame at this part of the show. Well, we'll find out right now. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Nelson. And the clock with 40 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
2, 10.
Right?
13. 4.
No.
14. 1.
No.
1, 13.
Yep.
15. 5.
Yep.
12. 7.
Yep.
9. 6.
No.
8. 3.
Yep.
11.
You were just 2 cars short. You are not lame at all. You did that rather nicely. And you're going to go on and play. You've got no strikes against you, which means you're going to play in the second game today, and you'll be back tomorrow with a chance to win a lot of prizes. We'll come back after this break. I don't know if he's suffering from a sugar high or a sugar low, but you're in the break. He was like this. Nelson, what is it today?
I had 2 Mountain Dews before we started taping.
Oh, that'll do you in. You better be on your toes because we've got this lady as your challenger for game number 2. Let's welcome Angie Gomez, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Angie. Where are you from?
I'm from San Diego.
Huh? Married, single?
I'm married and I have a 9-month-old little boy.
Good for you. What's his name?
Brandon.
Brandon. Is he here in the audience today
No,
to
he's
watch
not.
Mommy perform?
No, he's not.
You know the deal here. You're familiar with our game?
Right.
Ready to play?
I'm ready.
Okay, take a look over here and we will show you a great addition to your home.
Ashley's country-style dinette collection made of all wood construction and designed in a distinctive 2-tone finish to add charm to any decor, furnished by Ashley. Alex.
Let's show Angie and Nelson where they will find that on our game board at number 5, the country dinette. Now, because this is the second game of the day, Angie, we have those 5 bonus car seconds. We have the cash pot, and it is now up to $700. And we have a Mexico City vacation. And you get to pick first.
Oh, great.
However, on the downside, there's just 1 wild card up there.
Okay.
All right, go to work.
Okay, I'd like to find Mexico at number 13, please.
Red take.
And a match or the wild card at number 1.
His and her fashion sweaters. Nelson won the fashion swimwear, his and her stuff. No, his and her tennis rackets.
And the fat ladies swimwear.
Ladies swimwear, yes, I got confused.
Now I can get the his and her sweaters and I'll have a complete set.
You bet.
Safe on the beach. I'll start with number 8.
Country dinette collection.
And number 5?
Number 5, yes, just like that.
I know how to play this game.
Boy, are you good or what?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Take a look, Nelson.
Oh, well, it's,
Mm-hmm.
it's,
On the other hand, perhaps just a couple of numbers would be nice.
how about 17?
That's a good number. Piano.
14.
14 is the 1 wild card. Some days you just sort of fall into it, don't you? Let's show him the other piano.
pretty much.
Right below him at number 22. So 3 boards are going to open up for Nelson Brand. You managed to hit a wild card, and with your very first selection, you found the prize that we showed you at the beginning. Are you always this lucky? Are you a lucky guy?
No, actually.
No? Bad luck?
Yeah.
Like that character in the cartoons with the
Bad
black
luck
cloud?
Schleprock, yeah.
Joe Blittle-Flicks?
Yeah, that's the one.
Well, you're turning that around here on Classic
This
Concentration.
could be the day.
Yeah, nice things are happening to
Might
you.
even get a job this
Go ahead,
week.
select again.
I'll take...
Would you like mine?
Sure.
Do you have a tie?
I have a lot of them.
Yeah?
I see this has a oh, it doesn't have a button on the shirt though.
Ah.
I lost this button too this morning. It was a bad day.
Yeah, well, you see, if you're going to host a show such as this, you need to have shirts and ties that work.
Oh.
So, you maybe...
I'll get right on that.
Yeah, pick 2 numbers.
Okay, I'll take number 19.
Diamond necklace.
Oh. Just got a new shirt I could wear that with. Number 15.
Oak shelving system. Angie.
Okay, number 25, please.
5 bonus car
That
seconds.
would be great. And number 7 for the match?
Nope, that's that Mexico City vacation.
I need Mexico City. Oh, sorry. Number 16.
Red tape.
And number 13.
Match on the red tape. She has nothing at the moment, but it's still early in the...
2 prizes. I'm so excited.
Isn't this great?
Yes.
Yeah.
What a great day.
She says she's going to take them.
Hey.
Yes. Open it up. Select again.
We see number 6.
Picnic basket.
And number 2.
Oak shelving system. Angie.
Where was that? Number 18.
Green
Okay.
take.
And number 4.
Diamond necklace. No match. Nelson.
Number 19.
Diamond necklace.
And number 4.
That's beautiful. I was about to comment that you're very possessive with regard to the prizes up there. You said a moment ago, oh, my thing, my shelving set, my diamond necklace, and yet you make the matches, so it does work out beautifully for you. Let's see what happens now as we open these 2 panels.
What?
Pick again.
Number 15.
Oak shelving system.
And number 2.
It is your oak shelving system, if you solve the puzzle, of course. You keep looking over there as if, by some miracle, Angie will have accumulated a
It
prize.
might just disappear. I just got to keep checking on them.
I see. All right.
That's all.
2 more doors. Open them up, please.
Oh, well, it's,
Sure. Pick again.
number 21.
Cash pot.
Oh, I need that real bad. And number 24.
No, there were 5 bonus car seconds. Angie?
Were the 5 bonus car seconds under number 10?
No, that's a scooter and skateboards.
Let's see
collection.
what's under number 12.
Mexico City vacation. Nelson just sat up in his chair.
Well,
Mexico City vacation. Nelson just sat up in his chair.
number 25.
5 bonus car seconds.
And number 24.
5 bonus car seconds right next to each other. And 2 more doors opening up on that bottom line to help Nelson out. Notice that he has no losses, no strikes against him.
Number 7.
Mexico City vacation.
And number 12. Yeah, I'm going to Mexico.
Now, no, it's all right to get excited. It's all right to say, you know, isn't that great? But you're saying, I'm going to Mexico, which means you are very, very confident of solving the puzzle and winning the game.
As soon as I see what's behind those 2 little cubes.
Okay, well then let's open those 2 cubes for Nelson Brand. Nelson, you lied to me.
Number 10.
Scooter and skateboards.
And number 9.
Green take. Angie, here's a big chance for you.
Number 1, please.
Number 1.
Oh.
Oh, dear.
with it.
Fashion.
And number 20?
No. Oh, boy. This board is wide open now for Nelson. He could probably get every prize up there if he works it right.
Number 18.
Green take.
And number 9.
There's a match. Now you've got all the security you need, Nelson. Nothing to grab, of course. But you're safe with all of your prizes if you can solve the puzzle. Open the doors. Pick again.
Number 21. And
Cashpot.
number 11.
His and her fashion sweaters. Angie,
Okay. Number 1
for the sweaters.
and number 11, please.
For the sweaters. Finally a prize in Angie's column. It was looking so barren. And 2 doors opening up for her at a crucial point in this game. You should be able to clear the board, Angie.
Oh, number 6, please.
Picnic basket. Should be able to clear the board, Angie.
Oh, number 6, please.
Picnic basket.
And number 20?
That's the picnic basket. 2 more doors opening up for Angie. Nelson's going crazy over there because he thinks he can solve it.
I know what it is.
Hush up. This is Angie's moment in the light here.
Number 3, please.
Scooter and
And number
skateboards.
10?
Yes. Those prizes go up in your column. We'll open those 2 doors. 21 and 23 will match. That, of course, is the cash pot, $700. And when we open these 2 doors for you, Angie, solve the puzzle.
Needs elf?
Is it needs elf? Nelson, you got a free shot here.
Is it suit yourself?
Suit yourself, he says. And Nelson is correct, and Nelson is going to Mexico City and has won big at last. Let's go to the board. This won't be a short stop here.
This was the biggest nuisance of all. I thought it was a stitch and a thread, and it's a suture, and S for and a little elf on a shroom is suit yourself.
On a shroom?
On a shroom.
An elf on a shroom. I've never heard that. Suit yourself is correct. Angie, he suited himself very nicely in this game, and he has handed you your first strike.
That's
but that
okay.
means you'll be back to play again, so we'll see you in the next game.
Okay.
Nelson, you've been up here 2 times. We haven't been able to talk about too many prizes because you didn't win much, but now you've made up for that. Gene, tell him.
A diamond necklace, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a diamond necklace or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and an oak shelving system. Merillat's oak modular shelving system uses kitchen cabinetry with a roll-top desk for a functional work-study area, furnished by Merillat Industries, and a piano. Beautiful tone, sensitive touch and response, durable, long-lasting construction, and the famed Baldwin piano finish are features of this classic upright piano, furnished by Baldwin Piano and Organ Company, and a Mexico City vacation. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Mexico City, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Rosa, located in the heart of the Zona Rosa in Mexico City. Outstanding dining and luxury accommodations furnished by the Crystal Rosa. And, of course, the elegant country dinette collection. And the 5 bonus car seconds. And, Nelson, you've got a prize package worth $8,555.
And this could wind up being a fantastic day for you because I've got a feeling you're going to win a brand new car right after this commercial break. Nelson has to match 7 cars on these 15 numbered squares. The clock goes up there with 45 seconds, but you picked up 5 bonus seconds in that game, so you're operating with a full 50, Nelson. Go for it.
1, 2.
Nope.
4, 5.
Nope.
7, 8.
Nope.
5, 7.
Right.
10, 11.
Nope.
13, 14.
Nope.
4, 14.
Correct.
15. 12.
Nope.
9. 11.
Nope.
6. 11.
Right.
3. 10. 8. 12.
Nope.
15. 8.
Right.
2. 13.
Yep.
9. 12.
No.
1. 12.
Right. And that's a brand new car. Congratulations. Tell them about it, Gene.
Nelson, you've just won this Daihatsu Rocky Soft Top. Features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and chrome package. Furnished by Daihatsu, a prize worth over $12,000.
Big day for Nelson. He's going away with $21,176, and he wants to run up there and take a look at his new car, new vehicle. Go for it. We'll be back after this. Gene, another prize?
Some of today's participants may receive this Sanyo portable AM/FM stereo cassette recorder, CD player with 20 program memory, features bass expander circuitry for bass enhancement, and synchronous dubbing furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Hey, Ken, we'll see you.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.